My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Audi A6. This car has done just over 56,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. Inside we have access to features such as navigation, media with Bluetooth connection, and if we press car, then we can access a variation of driving modes. This Audi also comes with heated seats and parking sensors. As we enter the back of the vehicle, we can see that it comes with a full leather interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.